Welcome back to my channel SAP Learning Studio, Decoding Finance and Controlling. Today we'll explore finance number ranges. We'll start with overview, then number ranges type, number range objects which are used in finance document posting, then few configuration steps. Then I have listed down the important T codes which every finance consultant must be aware of, and we'll end the session with system walkthrough. The number range is a predefined set of numbers that are assigned to business object of the same type, such as business partner, GL account, document numbers. One thing which needs to be remembered is that number ranges are client specific. Each client has its own set of number ranges. We can change the number range in each client. Types of number ranges. There are two types of number ranges in SAP: internal number range and external number range. Internal number ranges means system automatically generates the number range, or the system automatically generates the number, and external number range means we need to manually assign the number. So example of this: document type. Whenever we post a document, system automatically generates a number range, that is internal number ranges. Whenever we create a GL account, we explicitly give the GL account numbers to the SAP, that is a type of external number range. Number range object. There are two objects which are used while we post the financial document. RFBELEG is the object when we post a document into all the ledgers, and FAGL underscore DOCNR is the object when we post a document into specific ledger. This is the SPRO path to define the document number ranges. For the entry view, T code is FBN1. These are the important T codes every finance consultant must be aware of. SNUM. SNUM is a master T code to maintain the number range. You can maintain any kind of number ranges through T code SNUM, provided you know the which number range objects needs to be maintained. FBN1 is the T code to maintain the entry view of the number ranges. FAGL DOCNR is the T code to maintain the general ledger view of the number ranges. Means ledger specific. OBH1 is the T code to copy the number range from one company code to another company code. So this T code is used typically when you configure a new company code in the system. And the OBH2 is the T code to copy the number ranges from one year to another year. So this T code is used during the year end closing, put the new number ranges or the copy the number ranges from earlier fiscal year to current fiscal year. Same way OBH1, OBH2 are for the entry view documents, and these are the two T codes, FAGL underscore OBH1 and FAGL underscore OBH2 are for the ledger specific documents. Now we'll start with the system walkthrough. First we'll go through SPRO path. SPRO, then financial accounting global setting, document, then document number ranges, define document number range. See, if you see here, the T code is FBN1. Here we need to enter our company code. Display interval is used to display the number ranges and status of the number range. Then change interval is used to create a new number range. Change NR status is used to change the status of the particular number range. So we'll click on interval, change intervals. So there are two number ranges which have already been there. So I will add third one, 03 fiscal year. Then this number range will start from 4,000 and it's end with 5,999. So there are 2,000 documents which can be posted under these. You cannot overlap the number ranges from number to numbers into the number range intervals. Okay, it has to be very unique. So for an example, if I'm trying to open the same one, now I will create for the display purpose. I will show you. It will start with 1,000. It will end with 3,000. So system has given us the error that the current number ranges overlaps with the 01 object. Okay, and we need to click on save. See, those number ranges has not been saved because there was an overlap. So now we'll 4000 to. Now we have entered the number range which we need and we'll click on save. Another T code is OBH1. If you see the screen or the header of this document number range is copying to company code, means you can copy either a specific number range for a specific year to to source company code to target company code, or else you can copy all the number ranges for that particular year from source company code to target company code, or you can copy all the number ranges of all the year from source company code to target company code. This T code is used when you create a new company code in the system. Now next T code is OBH2. Document number ranges copy to fiscal year. So through this T code you can copy a number ranges within a same company code for a specific interval from source fiscal year to target fiscal year, or for a company code from source fiscal year to target fiscal year. If whenever you want to copy all the number ranges of that particular fiscal year, keep this field as blank. Only enter a company code, source fiscal year and target fiscal year. Now we go to the master T code SNUM, where we can maintain the number ranges based on the number range object. So first we need to enter our number range object for which we need to maintain the number range, and then click on interval editing. Gives us the same screen of the T code FBN1. Here we need to enter the company code and click on enter. See, whatever we have entered is there. Now we'll enter the one more 04 2026 from 6000 to 7999, and we'll click on save. So to sum up my topic today, remember this T code and use of this T code. It will be very useful in your day-to-day life. Thanks everyone for watching my videos. Please like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon.